Hello parents, is your child coughing and sneezing all day? Try these 6 natural remedies to fight cough and cold, no side effects. Number 1. Khara drink boosts immunity and clears congestion. Boil ginger, tulsi, cinnamon, black pepper in water, strain, add honey. Number 2. Ginger and honey, which soothes the throat. Mix a few drops of ginger juice with 1 teaspoonful of honey. Number 3. Steam inhalation and saline nasal drops, which clears the blocked nose. Number 4. Garlic and ajwain potli. Warm it and tie in a cloth. Relieves the chest congestion. Number 5. Turmeric milk, which is anti-inflammatory. Half teaspoonful of turmeric in warm milk works wonders. Number 6. Salt water gargle, which eases the throat pain. Thank you, friends.